crap. Have you ever seen a transparent wallet? Well, we've got one today. Aviator wallet. We reviewed these before, but this is the Fusion slide. Let's see what this means. We open this up and, oh, well, we have a guide. That's nice. And if we open that up, well, okay, what do we have here? Well, I'm going to kind of put this right there because I don't want you to see it yet. We have a, looks like, this is a felt bottom that goes on the bottom of the coin tray. And, oh, here it is. This is an acrylic glass. Amazing. This is transparent. You can see through this wallet. Gives us a great view of all the engineering that has gone into this and really how this functions. And it's on both sides. Here's the tray. So with this, you're able to see coins, keys, whatever in there. And this is an AirTag capable version. On the exterior, we have an AirTag holder. This is also the cash strap. Cash goes under here. We go into the interior. On this side, we can see that we have a pull strap. This is where cards are held. Up to 20 cards, but requires some configuration which rely on these channels. Flip it over. On the interior, we have this tray. This is a coin tray. You can put keys in here. Whatever will fit within this height can be put in here and stored and carried along with you. And as mentioned, I have this felt tray insert. This insert goes into this right here. That helps prevent the rattling noise that goes on. And there's another method we'll talk about. This measures 3.4 by 2.2 by 0.8 and it weighs 75 grams or 2.7 ounces. This one's currently configured for 6 to 9 cards. So let's put it all together. Then we'll take a closer look. Now, as you see, I got 6 cards and 2 slips of cash. Company recommends up to 20 cards. Again, fully dependent on the different configuration, of which that little guide actually has the ability, and it shows you which channels to use. This is designed and made in Germany. The design of the slide has not changed, but the material for this wallet has been an engineering challenge all by itself. As I mentioned, this is made from acrylic glass, making this the world's first transparent wallet, I think. Rubber band or other wallets really don't count here. The coin tray, which is over here, now you can't see because we have cash in the way, opens up here, as well as the frame itself, which would be these other pieces, and of course this AirTag case are made from high quality aluminum with a silver anodized finish. The AirTag assembly also has a protective bottom on it. You can kind of see the bottom of what this is, but these other edges do as well, so it doesn't scratch this glass due to friction. Assembly is very time consuming on this and ends up being a great portion of the price you'll pay for the wallet. Now, while assembling, they can't leave any fingerprints or dust on the inside cover of the plates, and they want the acrylic glass to be transparent on the edges. And they accomplish this via a CNC end mills that are changed often and kept very sharp. Once they become dull, the glass starts to become opaque, ruining the effect. So being able to see the screws in every portion of this wallet really comes together to make a very cool effect. Now they've moved to a new milling cutter using diamonds to also achieve this look and make it even better. Now I know the first thing that you thought when I brought this out was, wow, that'll get scratched really easily. And you would be correct. Over time, through normal use, it will gain some scratches on it. Now to address this, they use tempered glass on the interior of the plates, so coins, keys, and other items won't scratch the interior. We're talking about, if we move the cash here, we're talking about the inside of this side of the glass, on the inside. If you have coins and they're rattling around or keys, you don't want the inside of this to get all scratched up. So to address this, they use tempered glass on the interior plates, and that's what solves this. And they will also be offering a tempered glass option for the exterior plates as well, so it helps reduce a lot of that scratching. Now consider the protection available like what your cell phone makers apply to reduce scratching, and would be a good upgrade if you pursue this wallet. And there you go. So this wallet costs $256. Now let's put some coins in here really quick. We've got, let's see, a few here, and we'll put these in, close that up, and you can see there's rattling. Now there's 2 ways to handle this. One of the ways is by putting in this felt bottom that we have right here. Another way is if you just have additional pieces of cash and you want to put that in there, we can put this right here, slip this in here, close this, and we will then, whoops, make sure that gets in there properly, and it's folded the way it should. This is a very precise wallet. Gotta be on top of this stuff, Mark. And that way it helps prevent the rattling. You just don't have that same kind of noise. So it works a couple ways. Now, How do we get the AirTag in? Well, let's see what we've got. The way you do it is you take the card that came with it. We put this under here to lift this up so that as we come to this other side and we're able to pull this up, we're able to get ourselves into the bottom because this is a bit of work. So let's see if we can speed this up a bit. There we go. And it just slipped in super easy. And it just pulled it right in. So a nice addition. I mean, I think it just all comes together in a great looking wallet. As I've said a couple times, I love being able to see the internals. This is the engineering genius that goes into this product. This is German made, like I mentioned. And so you get a good feel for all that's gone into this wallet. I really like the fact that Aviator wallets, they come with excellent instructions, how to adjust, take care of them. And so if you're looking for something that's a little bit different, this might be for you. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments below. I like the innovation Andy and the Aviator team continues to explore with their products. They're always thinking. Now on to the final score. For quality of 5, you just can't get past the engineering and the quality materials in here. Price of 1, a bit expensive, but like I mentioned, that all comes due to labor to put this thing together. Features of 5, a lot going on here in such a small footprint. Usability of 4, really very easy to use once you get it set up. And perception of 4, company puts great care into what they do with their products, what they come up with, and how they produce them. And that gives us a score of 3.8 out of 5. Now, if you'd like to see how the Aviator and Ridge wallets compare to each other, then watch this video next. And we'll see you in the next review. Bye.